Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Franz. This is Heather. What are we making today?
I think we should make pumpkin spice latte macarons.
Being very basic.
Basic.
Sounds easy enough. Add your powdered sugar, almond flour, and pumpkin spice. We're going to sift this into a bowl. Push the dry ingredients through the sifter with a whisk if needed. Next, separate 2 egg yolks and only add in the egg whites to your mixing bowl. Now mix on medium-high and add in your sugar as soon as it starts to get frothy. Add in as much orange food coloring as your heart desires. A little bit at a time, of course. We don't want it to be blood orange, but we want it to have a nice tint of orange. And continue mixing until stiff peaks are formed. Once stiff peaks are achieved, we're going to slowly add in the dry ingredients. Fold nicely until everything is well incorporated. Nice and slow is the goal here as to not ruin the meringue. Otherwise, you're going to have to start over again. Now fill your piping bag with the mixture. If you don't have a piping bag, a Ziploc gallon bag with the tip cut off will work here. Now pipe the mixture on a silpat or parchment paper covered baking sheet. Say that 10 times fast. You want these to be at least ½ inch away from each other, about 1 inch in diameter. Come on and slam, and welcome okay. Slam the pan on your work surface to get rid of any remaining air bubbles. You can also lift the pan and hit the bottom with your hand. Now we're going to let the cookies rest for at least an hour before baking at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes, rotating halfway through, so about the 7-minute mark. Well, I'll tell you right now, they look a lot better than our first attempt at macarons. While waiting for the cookies to cool, it's buttercream time. In a bowl, we're going to add the softened butter, pumpkin puree, and we're going to mix until combined. Now slowly add in the powdered sugar a little bit at a time. We don't want the powdered sugar to get all clumpy and gross. We're going to continue mixing until all the powdered sugar is well incorporated. Now add in the pumpkin spice, vanilla extract, condensed milk. Yeah, I got it right. Condensed milk until the buttercream is at the right consistency. Now fill your piping bag with the buttercream. Again, if you don't have a piping bag, a Ziploc gallon bag with the tip cut off will work here. Start piping the buttercreams onto the cookie. Buttercream onto the cookies. We don't want to overfill the cookies here, unless of course you're a rebel and want extra buttercream on it. Honestly, I won't judge. It was really good. But finally, top the cookies with the other half, and voila! PSL macarons, a basic bitch's dream cookie. It was freaking fantastic. That's all I can say, and I don't like pumpkin spice lattes. You get the coffee, you get the slight hint of pumpkin. I don't know, man. It's not too sweet. Good job. Thanks. Hit the like and subscribe button, bye.